Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Words Daily. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. We're very happy to have you with us today.
If you're learning English and sometimes feel nervous, shy, or afraid to speak, this conversation is especially for you.
Yes, because today we're talking about something very important. How to train your mouth and your mind to speak English naturally and confidently.
David, many learners say, I understand English, but I can't speak it. Why do you think this happens?
That's a great question. I think it happens because understanding and speaking are two different skills.
Yes, I agree. Listening and reading happen inside your head, but speaking is physical.
Exactly. Your mouth, tongue, and lips need practice, just like muscles.
So knowing English is not enough.
Right. You must use English with your mouth.
Let's explain this clearly for our listeners.
Okay. Think about learning how to swim.
You can read a book about swimming.
But if you never enter the water, you can't swim.
That's the same with English.
Your brain may understand, but your mouth has no experience.
And that's why people freeze when they try to speak.
Yes, because the mouth is not trained.
So what's the first powerful technique learners can use?
One of the best techniques is called shadowing.
Shadowing? Can you explain it simply?
Of course. You listen to a native or clear English speaker.
And repeat what they say.
Yes, we repeat it almost at the same time.
Like an echo?
Exactly. You copy pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation.
Even if you don't understand every word?
Yes. The goal is sound, not perfection.
Some learners think they must speak long sentences to improve.
But actually, that's not entirely true.
Simple phrases are very powerful.
For example, I'm ready. I can do this. Let's begin.
Saying these phrases every day warms up your mouth.
Yes, just like stretching before exercise.
You can say them with emotion.
Happy, tired, excited, it all helps.
Now let's talk about something people feel shy about.
Yes, you can practice by talking to yourself.
Yes. Many people think it's strange.
But it's one of the best ways to practice.
Yes. Your home is your safe place.
Yes, when no one judges you. No stress at all.
You can describe your actions.
I'm making tea. I'm opening the window.
This connects English to real life.
And that makes learning faster.
Now let's move to the mind.
Thinking in English changes everything.
Many learners translate in their heads.
This slows down the way you speak.
So how do we start thinking in English?
Begin with small steps every day.
Single words? Single words?
Yes, water, cold, food, maize, banana, hungry.
Then short phrases.
I need food. It's very hot today.
English should not live only in books.
It should live in your daily life.
Watch videos in English like films and YouTube English tutorials.
Enjoy listening to songs and podcasts.
Change your phone language to English.
Even funny memes help your learning.
Learning should be fun and enjoyable.
Yes, fun learning lasts much longer. Yes, fun learning lasts much longer.
Let's discuss consistency for improvement.
This topic is really very important.
Many learners study hard for one day.
Then stop and take a long break.
But 5 minutes every day is much better.
Small daily habits grow confidence.
And confidence builds fluency in speech. Many wait to speak because of their accent.
Accent is never a real problem.
It's part of who you are as a speaker.
Clear talking matters more than perfect.
Your voice deserves to be fully heard.
Speak with pride and confidence.
Here's a powerful idea for learning.
Your brain will follow your speaking.
Speaking helps your brain learn faster.
Speaking builds strong brain links.
Don't wait until you feel fully ready.
Start speaking now, don't wait.
We hope this helped your English journey.
Remember step-by-step daily work.
Yes, small steps every day make a big change.
Keep practicing, even a little each time.
And don't forget to enjoy the process.
Every word you speak helps your English grow.
Celebrate your progress, no matter how small.
Your confidence will increase with practice.
That's right. Keep speaking, keep learning.
See you next time on English Words Daily.
Thank you for joining us today.
Keep practicing English every single day.